I lost you on the last video. Anyway, we're in Surveyor's room. This is Surveyor's closet. Here. She's got a light up right here. This is the storage space in Surveyor's room. It's pretty considerable amount of space right there. So we're gonna throw a door on there. They was gonna box this in case you're like, hold on, no. Like, we need that space. Of course, just like the other one, previous video, got a can light there, can light there. We got an outlet, so we'll have power. We got HVAC running there. It's insulated. Oh, good. Keisha loves that window right there. Yeah, it's a nice touch to it. Instead of just being a wall, that's something she likes. I'm about to wrap this thing up. Yeah, bad storm last night. We weren't down here, but it's obviously pretty bad. A lot of rain. We'll hopefully get this garage, get this concrete poured for this garage. Hoping soon. Haven't heard nothing from my builder on that, but hoping to have that in. I know the siding guys, he just told me the siding guys are scheduled for this week. A pretty good high ceiling in the garage. Looking forward to that, hanging some fluorescent lights. And we got water flowing everywhere. It's outside of the house. Garage side. So I know I haven't made a video in a while, so I'm really jumped ahead from my last phase. But hey, here we are. Working all the time. So, picture of the back. I'm not going to go on this far side over here because it is, man, it's so muddy. I'll have to do that another day. We had a tornado about a month ago, and we got trees like this everywhere. That's just our silt fence in the backyard. This is the, I mean, look at this. There's trees, and it's like this all through our woods. There's trees where we were fortunate not to have anything fall on our house. This is the closest one to the house, and it fell away from it. There's, I'll take that back. There was a little one over here. Yeah, I've already started cutting it up, but there was a little one over here, but it didn't. It wouldn't have even probably reached the house, but wouldn't have caused much damage. You can see, already started chopping this up with the chainsaw, but it was right there. Anyway, look at this crap. I mean, it's flowing. This is just flowing, and I knew better. I mean, I ain't gonna say I knew better, but I knew this was gonna happen. Because when we cleared the land, when we cleared it, there was a trench there, and I filled it up with a lot of debris. But I knew it was going to come back to continue to be an issue. Water's going to go where it wants to go, right? Just wondering what the hell ain't up there yet. It's front of the house. Chose the muddiest day that I've been out here in weeks to decide to walk around and show you guys. So, right. So we got the metal accent roofing above the windows, the porch, and the upstairs bedroom and like the stairwell area. Still got to get stairs up to our front porch. It's a good time right here. Yeah, we got water. We got water going everywhere. Silt fence not to just give way over there. It's just, you can't even see it. So that's fun. Gonna have to fix that, I'm sure. Yes. The water is literally flowing. Like a creek exists right here. All right, there she is. Like I said, March 27th, and I'll talk to you guys later. Holla.